Welcome. This is Jamb here. 2010 government past question number 36. And question number 36 says the major purpose of establishing public enterprises in Nigeria is to dash. The major purpose of establishing public enterprises is to dash. Public enterprises is the same as public corporation. Public corporations, and as we all know, public corporations include what we call NEPA, include primary health care center, the water board, and so on and so forth. And the essence of this is what is social services. So option A say enrich the elite. Option B say provide essential services. C say compete with the private sector. D say increase government revenue. The essence of public corporation or public enterprise is not to make profit, as we have learnt in government class, but to provide essential services or social service. So essential services is the purpose of establishing public enterprises in Nigeria. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.